My name is Peace Jiejon. I work with the Environmental Protection Agency of Ghana. I'm a Principal Program Officer in the Natural Resources Department and the Desk Officer for Coastal and Marine Environment Management in Ghana. On the SATRAC project, the agency is partnering with the University of Ghana on the SATRAC project. Ghana, like any other coastal communities, has been involved in managing sargassum species as an invasive species over the years since 2011. Over the years, Ghana has developed and is currently implementing the National Invasive Species Strategy and Action Plan, which was developed in 2020 and has a lifespan of 10 years. The purpose is to provide a framework for the protection of aquatic and terrestrial ecosystem of Ghana and their native biodiversity of domestic plants and animals from risks posed by invasive species. There are also plans to develop early warning system to enable Ghana predict when and where sargassum will beach along the coast. As part of the SATRAC project, under which University of Southampton, University of West Indies, University of York, and University of Ghana and Mona GIS of Djibouti is taking place, the Environmental Protection Agency sees this as an opportunity for implementing some of the actions that are lined up in the National Invasive Species Strategy and Action Plan, for us to be able to know what we have and how to manage it, especially with reference to sargassum species. There is the need for us to develop an early warning system to enable Ghana predict when and where sargassum will beach. But before we can predict where sargassum will beach and communities that will be affected along the coast, we need to find a way to monitor the oceans and in that process be able to identify and give reliable information to vulnerable communities. In order to do that, I hand you over to my other colleague to come in with how we intend doing that as part of the SATRAC project.
Hello, my name is Maulik Bekor, the head of the Geographic Information Systems Unit of the Environmental Protection Agency, Ghana. Under the SATRAC project, the EPA has been collaborating with the University of Ghana to carry out mapping of sargassum beaching along the western coast of Ghana using satellite imagery and drones. The collaboration also involves the estimation of the volume of beach sargassum within 4 selected communities, which are study communities of Isiama, Sanzule, Benin, and Newtown. The agency is also collaborating through the SATRAC project with Mona GIS of Jamaica to help develop early warning systems for Ghana, which will help us to be able to determine when and where sargassum will be beaching along the coast for the necessary remedial actions to be taken. Thank you.